In a small town, there lived a young girl named Lily. Every day, Lily would pick up a book and enter a new world. The stories took her on exciting adventures, and she learned new things. Lily loved to read in a quiet corner of her house, surrounded by the comforting smell of pages. The characters in her books became her friends, and their journeys inspired her. Reading helped her relax and imagine wonderful places far beyond the borders of her small town. One rainy afternoon, while engrossed in a particularly thrilling story, Lily heard a knock on her door. It was her neighbor, Mrs. Thompson, who looked worried. "Lily, my granddaughter Mia is very upset. She loves stories, but she's lost her favorite book. Could you come and read to her?" Mrs. Thompson asked. Lily didn't hesitate. She grabbed a book she thought Mia would enjoy and followed Mrs. Thompson to her house. As Lily read to Mia, she saw the little girl's eyes light up with wonder and joy. The story transported Mia away from her worries, just as it did for Lily. From that day on, Lily made it a habit to visit Mia and read to her. She soon found herself reading to other children in the neighborhood, bringing them together to share the magic of stories. The quiet corner of her house was no longer her only sanctuary. She discovered that the joy of reading could be shared with others, creating a sense of community and happiness. One sunny afternoon, as Lily read to a group of children under a large oak tree, she realized something important. The stories she loved so much had not only given her joy, but had also taught her to share that joy with others. Through her love of reading, she had become a beacon of light, spreading knowledge, comfort, and friendship throughout her town. Lily learned that while reading was a personal joy, its true magic lay in its power to bring people together, to inspire and comfort, and to create a sense of belonging. The stories she read were not just tales of adventure and fantasy. They were lessons in kindness, empathy, and the importance of community. And so, Lily continued to read, not just for herself, but for the world around her. The town flourished with the magic of stories, and the simple act of reading became a bridge that connected hearts and minds. Moral of the story: the true magic of reading lies not only in personal joy, but in the power to share knowledge, comfort, and inspiration with others, fostering a sense of community and kindness.